Okay, so you can see it behind me. They use a service called Chip Drop, and I'll show you what I do with wood chips. I keep on their website that I'm always wanting them, and what they do, I mean, sometimes it takes 2 months to get them, sometimes it's 4 months, sometimes it's 2 days. But I'll just show you around about what I do with these wood chips. So right here, just in these landscape beds right like this, that's not close to the house, I use wood chips here as a mulch. And of course, all they're gonna do is turn to good soil after a couple of years. So like on this bed right here, that's dirt, but I put, I mulched it with wood chips initially, then I covered it in pine straw. Here's another, and you can see the wood chips right there. Wood chips all around here. It's just a mulch, just to suppress grass. Everybody's got trailers, and in the back of the property, I put these wood chips here because, a lot of times that trailer, will sit there for a month and me not use it. Well, what the deal is grass grows all up around it and you have to move it to mow around. Well, now I don't. This is on the back side of my property, and I'm always putting implements and different things here. And so I'll put them out here where, I can set them out here and not have to worry about mowing around it. I'm gonna use this to move it with. It's been a while since I've driven it. Front end loader, garden tractor. Just a little bit, I just added to my, I don't know what you want to call this, little pathway, but also use it in flower beds as mulch. I ain't got it raked in there, but there's some grass and stuff. I'm gonna use that. Right here, I wanted to bring this corner out further. Can't tell it in there, but there's 2 little flowers in there I'm trying to mulch around just to add to this. These flower beds are just bushes are getting bigger and stuff, so I'm just expanding this out a little bit wider. So I got the wood pile moved, and this is the after effects. I cleaned all this up with the front end loader, but I got little pieces like this left around, and that's gonna kill my grass. So what I'm gonna do is get my little dethatcher out. I'm going to use it as a kind of a rake and smooth all this out. Spread it out a little bit better with that. So, you know, I use that dethatcher to just smooth out all the wood chips in the grass, because I don't want to kill the grass and it'll clump up and stuff like that. So now what I'm going to do is take that front end loader again, but I'm going to use the tiller on the back and smooth this out. That dethatcher does okay on that, but it just clumps up. So I'm going to smooth this out, and that'll be that. So anyway, I don't know if you can tell that it's smoother, but at least it's all smoothed out all the way around. You know, I can park my trailer back here, I can put stuff back here, never bring the mower back here, never have grass or weeds. And it's just right here behind my shed. This is the end of my property line right there where that line is. So, you know, it's just, you know, this is where I do my wood splitting. So all the wood chips that fall off the wood splitter falls on this, and it's just keeps everything clean around here. So I think that's the end of this. But that's what I do with wood chips. So, all right, thanks.